So the reason why we're out here with Justin today is because I'm taking him on the NDIS. What's it called?
NDIS Communication Day Out.
The CP Day. That's what they call it, right?
CP or Community Access Day.
So am I getting paid for this or what, bro? Where's the payments? Like, do I have to hit up NDIS for the payments for taking you out today? It's pretty windy here, so I don't know how the audio is. When I stand this way, I know you definitely can hear the wind, but I have these little fluffy things on the mic.
There's a bite. It's biting.
Oh, it is. It actually is. It actually is biting.
It is actually biting.
Oh, is it? I think it. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
A few knocks. Just hold it in there until it bites.
Yep. Come on.
Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea, letting Justin fish. See if it took your bait.
Probably did, the bastard.
Yeah, it probably did. Yeah, it did.
Oh, you little bastard. Selfish little fish. Selfish little fish. Took my bait and...
Alright, hold that, mate. We'll get you another fish on there.
Hopefully I actually catch a fish.
Get hooked. I got you. Look, just stand there.
Jesus Christ.
Justin's scared. Alright, ready? This is it. This is the cast.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
No, that was shit.
No, that was pretty good. You might catch a
Bro,
bit.
it just went straight up in the air and the wind made it fly.
I believe I can fly.
Hold it.
This is what you
just
do.
Relax. Right,
and you put this back.
And then when you chuck it, let go. Oh wait.
What?
Move your hand.
Shit.
Hold it now.
Yeah.
Just one finger.
Yeah, one finger.
Now back, and then fuck. This is scary. I don't know if you've seen that. Let go. Let go of it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Let it sink.
Yep.
Alright, just let it sink there for a little bit.
To the ring, to the...
I don't know if that picked it up. That was funny.
I think, was it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Was that actually a good throw or shit?
No, it's good. It's gonna get the... Well, you chucked it so close that it might catch... It actually might catch a fish. Alright, hold that.
Yep. See, this fish doesn't want me today. I tell you what, fishing's hard, man.
He loves it. They're all the lines. Where's his line? Yeah, over line.
Wow! What a throw! What a cast!
Alright. Never taking this guy fishing ever again.
What a cast!
He gets too excited. Have you ever had a pet fish?
Yeah, you know what? I had pet fish when I was 3 years old.
Really?
And I thought the fish needed to sleep, so I chucked some pellets in there.
Yeah.
So we went to the pet shop and we bought 3 goldfish. And when I was 3 years old, not even joking, I put 3 pellets in the fish.
Wait, what do you mean we? You or we?
I.
You put 3 pillows in your fish tank to make them sleep?
Yeah, because I thought they needed a bit of comfy. And they actually died the next morning.
Why do you think they died?
It could suffocate them. Not enough oxygen.
What were they, goldfish?
Goldfish, yeah.
What were their names?
Dory, Nemo, and Dusty.
Dusty? Wait, are these made up names?
No, real name, yeah.
Fuck off, bro. Alright, bro.
I tried to give the fish some comfort because I thought it needed some pillows, and I killed the fish.
Yeah, mate, I'm gonna let you know this. Fish don't need pillows to sleep, right?
I thought they did when I was 3 years old, but how could I know?
I don't know, I think you just know that.
I didn't know. I was 3 years old.
No, fair enough.
I was autistic at 3 years old.
I think you still are, but
I might be. I think I am. I don't know.
It doesn't change, bro. After all these years, mate, you're still, yeah.
Oh my God. I'm not used to going outdoors. I'm used to staying in my bed playing Fortnite and watching movies and making videos and having a bat.
Okay.
Oh, cut that out.
Woo! Where'd that go? I don't even know. That went there.
Where did it went?
It went over there.
Hold on.
Go.
Hold on. Where did it go? I can't see the line. Oh. I feel bites. If I get a fish, I'll be the best fisherman in the whole world. First time going fishing, catch your first fish. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you call bait. This is what you pull bait. You know when you tell jokes and pick up lines to a chick? That's baiting a girl into liking you.
Come on, let's see if you can do it. Be careful.
I'm a bit nervous, so you... Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. No,
Yep.
Go through the side. Go through the eye.
Yeah.
That's not... Oh, I'll let you do it. I'll let you do it how you do it.
Guys, I'm trying to put this is my first time. I should have watched some fishing videos like all week. Okay, this is gonna...
Wait, you got it on there?
It's not gonna... It's gonna do...
Wait, go. Wait, shots? That actually might hold. Go, chuck it out. See, hold it. Wait, this is how he's done it, guys. It's actually not that bad, not gonna lie.
If I catch a fish with this, I'm gonna say, oh yeah, fishy. Woo-hoo,
Oh, that was your best cast. That was your best cast of the day, mate.
Thank God for that.
Usually he casts right there, but he's casted a tad out.
I'll catch a fish. Because if I don't go home with dinner, I'm going home hungry. Oh my God. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
You might
A few bites. That was a few bites. He's getting attacked.
Come on.
He's lost.
Fishy, 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 where are you?
Yeah, that was just bites. Oh, are we on? Wait, we could be on.
You could be on.
Wait, we'll see. Oh, I actually might think I'm on. Oh no, it's on my other line here. It's on this line. Oh shit, this line's fucked. Go back a bit.
Oh my God, you got something, Flynn.
Shit, I'm all fucking tangled up here.
Oh my God, you actually got something. Oh, Flynn, look! Go for one!
Yeah, because... Wait, 1 second.
You're on. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, I know. Alright. No, I'm on this rod, but wait, hold this. Hold this.
What?
Flatty. I'll go back. Can you see the whole frame?
What's it look like?
Got a flatty.
Got a flatty.
Not bad, not bad. But I got caught up. I caught it with 2 rods. So I got snagged on my other one. Look at this. Oh shit, it's moving around. Relax, buddy. So I got snagged up here. This is all tangled up. Got a flatty. These got spikes on it. And I caught the first fish of the day. Justin, I bet you. Are you on?
I think I am.
Fuck off.
I am.
Wait, no, you're not.
Why?
Nah, you caught some seaweed, buddy.
Oh my God.
Nice try. Justin loves it. Alright, so we've got a flatty. Oh shit.
Oh, you caught the first fish of the day.
Do you want to measure it?
I think it's like 3 meters.
3 meters, he reckons. Alright, so 34 centimeters. 34, 35. Oh no, 34, 33 centimeter flatty. Not bad. What do you think, mate?
You caught a fish before me.
Alright, ready? I'm gonna release it back. Watch.
Ta-ta.
Ready? There you go, it swam off, mate. Swam off.
Fishy, 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 stinky tacos right here. Don't get stinky tacos, go for clean tacos.
Bro's lost it.
Okay, here's the fish.
Mate, did you just violate the hell out of that fish or what?
I think I demysticated.
Is that fish alright?
I think I demysticated the fish. Demystinated?
Defrosted,
Yeah.
demystinated.
Whatever.
Give you a tail, mate. We'll give you a tail.
Yeah, give me a tail.
Alright, bro.
Give me a tail.
We've packed everything up. Now we're gonna move spots. Shit, why is it so dark? I don't know, it's so dark. But yeah, we're gonna move spots and hopefully catch some shit with the prawns. But if not, that's right, we caught a flatty. Justin caught nothing. I'm glad he didn't catch.
I caught nothing because it's a windy, shitty day.
Nah, if it was a better day, it would have been way better. It's windy as.
It is what it is, but let's try somewhere else.
We've changed locations now. Where I don't know, Surfers Paradise is over there, and the Ruby Hotel is there. So wherever this is, I don't know what it is, but it's like the canals of Gold Coast. Way less windier than the other spot.
Guys, I can't believe I'm fishing right now. I am fishing. There's Flynn over there.
Pretty excited.
And I'm just kicking back here fishing for the first time in history. I didn't know I was going to go fishing today. It was a surprise.
Jesus Christ.
What happened?
The wind's so strong. Oh my god.
Whoa, I'm getting bites! Oh my god!
Oh, what?
Well, I'm getting bites.
Go, reel it in. Reel it in.
Oh my god.
Reel it in.
Oh my god, I got bites. Oh my god.
Reel it in, bro.
I'm trying to.
Go.
It's a big fish.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you got bites? It's not the water?
It's bites. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got bites.
You know how to reel it in, mate?
I'm trying to.
Yeah, I'll quickly reel mine in. Help you. 1 second.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm getting bites, man. Like seriously, I'm getting bites.
Bro, reel it in, bro.
I'm trying to.
If you're gonna bite, mate.
Oh my god, man.
What is it fighting? It
Oh,
looks
no.
tough, bro. Oh, you've caught nothing.
I thought I was gonna fish. Came in here all day and I'm
Bro,
getting...
you didn't catch a fish, just relax. No, not over my line.
What?
Bro, why'd you cast over here?
Wait, I don't know how to fish, mate.
Fucking hell. You've cast it over my line.
My bad.
Fucking hell. Oh, now I'm snagged. What's
No,
that,
you're
mate?
not snagged, you got a fish.
No, I got snagged.
No.
I might feel nibbles at the start.
Oh no, I'm getting bites, dude. I'm
Sure?
actually, yeah.
Well, then reel it in. Like, try hook it when it does it.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Are you on?
Oh.
Are you on, man? Go.
Oh.
Holy shit. Are you sure you're on?
I don't know. I hope so.
Go. You know if you're on.
Whoa. Oh, cool.
Come on, bro, bring it in. You obviously got something.
I got something.
Wait, you did?
Oh my god, holy shit.
Like, actual?
I think... Oh, I got something, holy shit.
Bro, you're snagged, dude.
No, I'm not. I got something.
Are you sure you got something?
Yeah.
Bro, that's nothing.
Dude, this is bullshit.
You got snagged. Watch
No,
out.
this is bullshit. I've been here all day and I caught nothing.
We'll chuck it back out. You still got your bait.
This is BS, man.
Wait. Don't go over my line.
What happens if I do?
We're gonna get fucking caught up. Wait. You fucking.
Mate, I'm trying to have a good day. You caught a flathead already and I caught nothing.
Yeah, well, that's your problem, mate.
How's it my problem? The fish doesn't like me today.
I know, that's your problem. That's the problem. The fish
don't-
don't like you.
Maybe they know if I catch them, I'll dismiss them.
You what? You what? Miss him?
I'll dismiss the fish. Dismiss them.
What's the missed a fish mean?
F them when they're dead.
I think that's called bestiality, mate. But sure.
What's bestiality? Like what is...
Anyway,
I don't know.
you just keep trying to catch a fish, mate.
I'm trying to, but I'm hungry. Dude,
Well, fuck, you need to catch fish to eat, mate.
Well, I'm starving, I'm hungry. And this fish doesn't even like me.
Yeah, I don't think I do.
Dude, I've been here all day. I'm sick of waiting for a fish.
Well, I've been out here all day too, mate. I've caught a fish.
You caught one
You're
fish?
lacking.
What?
You're lacking. You gotta catch a fish.
What do you mean lacking? Like, it's
You're
not my fault the fish is fucking retarded not to get my line.
I think it is, mate.
I think the fish got a bit of autism.
Oh my god.
I'm being serious, like...
Nah, but if you feel a bite, just yank it.
I've tried yanking it
Not
before.
right now.
Okay.
The SD card in the camera, it went full, so now I'm on the phone. But
That's
what do you
right.
think? What do you think of today?
I was upset because I didn't catch any fishies, but at the end of the day, it was a good day no matter what, but it's good to go fishing for once.
Nah, it is first time fishing.
First time fishing.
Ah,
Caught nothing.
caught up.
You know what fish is? Next time I'm going to get the casting net and catch you.
Oh,
If you like this post, subscribe, whatever you call it. Go share it to your friends. If you want to see me and Flynn do more content, comment below. Let's go.
oh, you heard him. Comment down below. Like,
the
comment,
video.
subscribe. Like the
Hit
video.
the like, hit the subscribe, and comment below if you like it and you want more. Let's go.
Wait, what is describe then? You mean subscribe?
Yeah.
Oh!
Sorry guys, I'm a bit autistic.
See you guys.
Peace out.
Oh, fuck.